Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Shopify. Alright, so I have here two tabs. So for my Shopify store and for my Squarespace. So first thing they should do here is you just have to log into your Shopify store. Then after that, just go to the settings. So this one at the bottom left corner of your screen. So just tap on it, and then you have to look for the domain. So you have this domain right here. The next is we just going to tap on the connect existing domain. And then here just have to type out the name of the domain. So go back to Squarespace and then type out this one. Okay. So let me just type it out. All right. Then after that, you just have to tap on the next option. And then it will show you the DNS. So all you have to do is to copy the DNS record. Okay, so we have this one right here. So we can log in Squarespace and open DNS management. And then we are going to type these details right here. Okay, so let's start with the CNAME. All right, so let's tap on this one. And then we are going to add a new record. So go to the DNS right here. What I'm going to do here is to add a new record. So tap on it, and then for the host, we are going to tap a www, and for the type, it should be CNAME, and then for the alias data, we are just going to copy this one, then paste it right here, and then tap on save after that. Okay, so next, tap on the add record once again, and then here for the host, we have add. All right. And then for the type, it should be 8. Okay, and then for the IP address, so we have this one. So we're just going to copy and then paste it right here and then click on save after that. Okay, so once you have added the two records, so go back to Shopify, then tap on the I updated my DNS. All right, so as you can see right here, the domain is live in all regions globally. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.